Did you know that the average human lifespan today is just 75 years? That means we only have a limited shot in life to make it as we hope it would be. And if you're one of the many people looking for a financial breakthrough in your life, this video is for you. My name is Jeffrey Antonio, and I'm here to show you your JC Premier business in 8 minutes.
In 2012, a promising startup company was formed by two friends, Jonathan So and Carlito Macadangdang. And in order to stay true to their philosophy, Jonathan and Carlito launched that startup company, which they believe can help a lot of people become entrepreneurs by having their own home-based online business. Their aim is to provide an opportunity for those who wanted to earn a little extra while working on their day jobs.
This startup company would later become what is known today as JC Premier Business International. Over the past few years, JC Premier became one of the most adored amongst millennials in the beauty and wellness industry with its cutting-edge technology powering your online business in a click.
Jonathan So being the president and CEO, while Carlito Macadangdang as the vice president and CFO paved the way for people to have their own home-based online business without breaking the bank. Since then, JC Premier had grown and expanded with at least 28 business centers and 37 training centers. It also has branches and centers overseas, like in Singapore, Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia, Hong Kong, Taipei in Taiwan, Dubai, and Abu Dhabi in the United Arab Emirates. Currently, JC Premier partners with some of the world's leading health, wellness, and skincare product specialists, and with product-approving bodies and product features such as the following, making this young company a part of the billion-dollar MLM industry. It's easy to do the business program of JC Premier simply because of its products. I mean, you see them everywhere. You use them all the time. All you have to do is to switch brand. Ask yourself this: how many times have you consumed the same product and got something in return? How many times have you consumed that same coffee, that same soap or shampoo, and earned a little extra from it? Probably not. JC Premier has 3 product lines that we always use. These are health and wellness, beauty and skincare, and the third is personal care. These products are effective, highly consumable, nutritious and beneficial, and not to mention affordable. And I almost forgot, you enjoy all of these with the buy one take one privilege. Yes!
Now the real question is, how will I benefit from the JC Premier Business Program? The company's tagline is, "Welcome to the good life." And it really is more fun here in JC Premier, mainly for 2 reasons: the simplicity and the generosity of the marketing plan.
I mean, can you just even imagine? The products alone that they have, absolutely incredible. You can actually earn by sharing your experience with these incredible products through your friends. Earn as much as 70% by doing simple retail from your repeat customers. You can actually enjoy bigger retail profit by using your buy one take one privilege. Now that's what I call smart selling.
By being part of the program, JC Premier is helping you build your home-based online business in more ways than one through the power of leverage.
JC Premier wants you to earn big in this program through leverage. Share not only the products, but the incredible business plan as well. Sponsor your friends to become part of this magnificent program, and JC Premier will give you a direct sales commission worth $20 for every platinum package sold. To sponsor someone, all you have to do is to market the platinum package to your friends.
Now, there's really no limit to how many people you can sponsor here in this business. But the best thing about this program, all you really need is just 2 sponsored friends to get your JC Premier home-based online business running.
The company utilizes the binary system, the simplest compensation model in the MLM industry. Once you've sponsored your friend in the business program of JC Premier, you can position him either on your left or right sales group. Now, if you sponsor another, you can position him on the other sales group opposite to the first. In this way, when the system detects that you have sponsored people, one in your left sales group and another one on your right, the system will generate an income source worth $30. And that is what we call the sales match commission.
This sales match commission allows you to earn big when your sales team, both left and right, starts to market the platinum package and starts to sponsor their own friends in the program.
Again, one on your left and one on your right will give you a sales match of $30. The program is generous that it rewards you with a maximum of 10 sales matches per day. It means that you can earn a maximum of $300 a day, $2,100 a week, or $9,000 per month.
Another thing I love most about JC Premier is that even for just one sales group running, you can actually earn big in this program. Yep, only one leg, and this is crazy.
It's called the Leadership Bonus Commission. When your sponsored friend starts building his left and right sales team, you earn $6 every time from his sales match. Again, every time your friend earns $30 from his sales match, you automatically earn $6 from your Leadership Bonus Commission. Remember, from one sponsored friend doing the business program of JC Premier, you can earn as much as $60 per day, $420 a week, or $1,800 per month. The more friends you introduce in this program, the more leadership commission you're going to enjoy. JC Premier prides itself in its products, those effective and highly consumable products that we use every day.
Product movement is the lifeblood of the company. This is how the company earns, and this is also the reason why you're receiving those big fat commissions. JC Premier had developed by far the most generous way of earning through product consumption, known as the passive sales match commission, or PASM. How does it work?
Every product has a corresponding PASM point. So every time you and your team purchase a product, those PASM product points add up. The more products you and your team purchase, the more PASM product points you and your team accumulates as a group. Now, when the system detects that you and your team have accumulated in total a minimum of 100 PASM points, that is more or less worth $400 of products purchased on your left sales team, and same goes on your right sales team, it will generate an income source of $30 as your passive sales match commission. Again, the more products you and your team purchase, the more PASM product points you and your team accumulates as a group, and a minimum of 100 PASM points for both of your left and right sales group will generate an income source of $30 as your passive sales match commission.
The passive sales match commission can give you a maximum of 10 passive sales matches per day.
That means a maximum of $300 per day, $2,100 per week, or $9,000 per month. To earn this much from the passive sales match, all you have to do is to have a personal monthly purchase requirement worth 10 PASM points, or that is more or less worth $20 products purchased.
The passive sales match commission program is by far the best thing that had ever happened to the MLM industry, and JC Premier made it possible just for you. Money, I don't like spending it. That's why I love JC Premier.
JC Premier believes in rewarding your efforts. That is why this is the only opportunity in the MLM industry that gives incentives and bonuses in ways you won't believe is possible.
Travel for free to Korea for only 50 sales match, or in Rome, Italy, free for only 99 sales match.
Or set sail in the Royal Caribbean cruise, free for only 70 sales match. Or visit Paris, France, free for only 50 sales match. Would you like to have and drive your dream car for free? Like this, free for 50 sales match. Or this, free for 100 sales match. Or this, free for 200 sales match. Or how about this, free at 300 sales match. Or how about those muscle cars, all free for 500 sales match. You can also choose to have for free these luxurious watch and tech brands, or high-end fashion designer brands for free. Again, all of this for free.
You get to travel for free and drive your car for free, and you also have your weekly sales match commission and your monthly PASM commission without even spending anything.
That is why I love JC Premier. You can have this, and this, and that, and this, and all of these absolutely free.
I've said it before and I'm going to say it again. It's all free without the need to spend a single cent of your weekly and monthly bonus commission.
Question: do you see and use these in your bathroom? Or how about these at home? Do you take this in the morning or include these to power your super active lifestyle? If the answer is yes, then that is how we start this lucrative business.
How do you start? By simply, slowly changing your household brands into a money-making one.
Make money in your shower or by just taking breakfast.
Become the millennial entrepreneur and earn big while doing less.
Acquire your platinum package one time for only $400 and enjoy these awesome benefits and inclusions.
Remember, it doesn't take much money to start becoming that millennial entrepreneur and start earning while you're still at your day job. Let JC Premier help you achieve the things you want in life by doing less. Hi, I'm almost done and I hope you like what I've shown you. But before I go, here's everything that I love about JC Premier. Go!
It's a company launched by two friends, Jonathan So and Carlito Macadangdang. Its purpose is to provide people like you and me to become online entrepreneurs while we're on our day jobs, which means you can earn a little bit more aside from what you're getting from your day job.
More sources of money means more ways for you to buy the things you want in life.
JC Premier has an amazing line of products that we already use. It's just a matter of changing from your brand of products into a money-making one. You can earn by sharing and selling the products or doing less by sponsoring your friends in the program. You can earn a maximum of $300 daily, or $2,100 weekly, or $9,000 monthly in its sales match program. And you can also earn another $9,000 through the product repeat sales called PSO. You can have this, and this, and this, and that, and those for free without even spending a single cent from your commission. And the best thing about JC Premier, it doesn't cost much to start your JC Premier home-based online business.
That's your JC Premier business in 8 minutes.